All right, guys, we got it 2022 Beta 200. You guys want to see what a Beta looks like when it comes out of the crate? Pretty sick. All right, guys, 2022 Beta 200 Race Edition here. So what do you get out of the box? How does the bike come to the dealer? Well, the bike comes to the dealer with everything on it but the handlebars and what you see up here. There'll be a box of stuff with the bike. I'm going to show you what comes with it. First of all, you've got the number plate, the battery, frame guards, toolkit, and I will do another video showing you what comes in the toolkit. Here you have your rim decals. At this dealership, we never put these on. We just give them to the customer. Here is your bottom pad for the kickstand. You have a thumb drive here with your documents on it. This would be, I believe, is for the diagnostic reading. Here are the nuts, the clamp-on nuts, and the bolts and washers for your skid plate, which is right here. You get your hand guards, your bar pad. This is instruction assembly, which your dealer will just keep. And then you have your mask with your headlight. Like I said, the bars are not on the bike. There's a piece of plastic mounted here instead. But everything else, you know, wheels and everything are on the bike. Bike is zip tied in the crate, and the pegs are zip tied up. I've already cut all those zip ties. So I'm going to go ahead and put the mask on and go ahead and put all the other little pieces on to get this ready for the customer.